Welcome to the perfect morning stretch routine. In just a few minutes, you can improve your flexibility and posture, setting the tone for a great day ahead. Let's start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a deep breath in and raise your arms overhead, reaching for the sky. Feel the stretch in your whole body as you exhale. Now, slowly bend to one side, feeling the gentle stretch along your torso. Hold for a few seconds and then switch to the other side. Keep breathing deeply and evenly throughout. Next, let's move to the floor for some seated stretches. Sit with your legs extended in front of you and reach for your toes, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Remember to listen to your body and never push yourself too far. Stretching should feel good and relaxing, not painful. Take your time and enjoy the process. As we come to the end of our routine, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and step into your day with confidence and grace.